Well, of course, those storms we were telling you about hit right as kids were getting out of school for the day, and that afternoon drive time was kicking off, resulting in pretty slow going for anyone out there on the streets or highways around Springfield. Now, our Shadiah Tomlin is live tonight outside a Fast Night Park, which looked a lot more like a pond or a rushing river a few hours ago. Shadiah, what's it looking like right now?
Mike, the rain was just really heavy today. When we were out driving around the area, we saw some roads that had to be blocked off for people's safety. Flash flooding and severe storms impacted the Springfield area today.
Really scary, but it's also like, I've never seen it this bad.
Right as school was letting out, it was raining really hard. Because so many vehicles were on the road, they were driving slower than usual. It resulted in a lot of stop-and-go traffic. A few drivers were stranded during the evening drive near Grant Avenue.
I almost slid off the road a couple times, and I was just coming down here to meet my boyfriend who got stuck.
While over near Rutledge Wilson Farm, the residents had to take detours to get home during the flooding.
Well, we can't go anywhere. You know, you could go, but you have to be careful up here at the top of the hill.
Fast wind caused some trees to lose their branches, which led to road blockage. Springfield Greene County Office of Emergency Management urged people to avoid traveling if they can and to be aware of crossing high waters.
Just tell people be safe. Don't drown, turn around.
Now, it is important that you know to not only be aware of your surroundings, but to never drive through big puddles of water that you see or high waters when you're driving during flash flooding, just to be safe. Reporting live in Springfield, I'm Shadiah Tomlin, Ozarks First.
All right, thank you.